what happened if the PCO resigned or been terminated in their services as pollution control officer? What will be the next step to ensure compliance with the requirements of DAO 2014-02? In Section 9 of the DAO 2014-02, or the revised guidelines for pollution control officer accreditation, refers to the requirement of new PCO in case of resignation or termination of the old PCO. And what will happen if the PCO resigned is that the managing head shall inform in writing the concerned EMB regional office within 15 calendar days from the date of resignation or termination of the PCO. So first thing to do by the company through the managing head, the highest executive officer, is to notify in writing the concerned EMB regional office. So there will be a notification letter uh, notifying the office of the regional director of EMB regional office that the PCO have resigned or been terminated in the services. And within 15 calendar days from the date of resignation or termination is the timeline. The managing head shall also seek accreditation for the new PCO within 30 calendar days from the date of resignation or termination. In case of the resignation or termination of the old PCO, there shall be a newly appointed or designated PCO in the company and shall seek accreditation within 30 calendar days. The managing head shall immediately assume the responsibilities as interim PCO until such time that a new PCO shall have been accredited. So whenever there are permits to be renewed, so the managing head shall ensure that there will be a processing of the renewal of that application. If there will be a submission of self-monitoring report or compliance monitoring report, the managing head shall ensure timely submission of the report. And in case the managing head of the establishment is a foreign nationality, the next highest ranking Filipino officer shall assume the responsibilities of the PCO. And also the accreditation of a pollution control officer who has resigned or been terminated based on Section 9 of DAO 2014-0 shall be considered automatically revoked upon his or her resignation or termination. And therefore, a new accreditation shall be secured from the concerned EMB regional office if the PCO transfers and assumes the PCO position in another establishment. But basically, when a PCO resigned or terminated, the managing head shall notify EMB regional office. And the managing head will assume the responsibility as the interim PCO and make sure that the managing head shall appoint a new PCO since the old PCO and his or her accreditation is automatically revoked, and the managing head shall ensure and seek new PCO accreditation within 30 calendar days. So I hope you have learned about in case of a resignation or termination of the PCO, there's a need for new accredited PCO in the company. Thank you very much at kung gusto nyo pang matuto sa iba pang mga videos, tutorial videos on environmental compliance, please subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you very much and have a good day.